What's up, my brothers? Fast Jimmy 71. Uh, well, it is 9:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna go outside and shovel snow. uh, we've been hit with a nasty blizzard. It's still snowing. Right now, there's about a foot of snow outside. I don't know how bad it is till I open that door. So, my mother and myself, we're going outside to begin battle. Are you ready? All right. Hey, Cookie. Well, here I go. I'm gonna open the door. Excuse me, it's gonna be a little dark. So I gotta click on these lights. There we go. Let me get my shovel, and this is the first time I open this door, so I don't know how nasty it is. So here we go. Oh wow. Wow. Oh wow. Oh my God. Oh wow. Ma, we're gonna have problems. There's my mother. Damn. Oh man, this is not cool. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to let you guys go. I'll do this later. Peace out, brothers.
It's so bright. Okay, Jimmy, go.
Hold on. I'm trying to turn this off.
This is the blizzard.
Oh, come on, it won't turn off.
This is the door. All that snow. Okay, somebody is. Can you open?
I'm trying to turn off this video camera. What's up, my brothers? Well, it is later. Yeah, it is about 8 o'clock at night. I am tired. Well, the storm has passed. Now we're getting hit with below sub-zero weather now. Right now we're supposed to be getting about, we're supposed to go into the lows about 40 below, 30 below zero. So it's not gonna be pretty. We here by my house, we dug out, oh God, at least 2.5 feet of snow. I've been out all day today picking up snow, digging, cleaning around the house, and helping my uncle dig his car out, helping my cousin dig her car out, and digging, digging the cars out of the garage, getting the garage, cleared so I can get the cars out of the garage. So, it's just been a really, really hectic day for everyone that lives here in Chicago. It's just been really bad, but, we're Chicagoans. We can deal with it. We've been through this before. So, we're used to it, It just catches us by surprise because we haven't gotten something like this since 1999 was the last one. And that one wasn't as bad as this one. This one was terrible. We had winds blowing up to about 50 to 60 miles an hour last night, and we had thunder and lightning. Something I've never seen I've never seen anything like that in my whole life. And I'm gonna be 40, and I've never seen anything like that. Thunder and lightning during a blizzard. But you know what? That's a first. So, hey. Well, just here to do this video, show you guys what was going on. So, right now I really don't have anything to show you on the Regal. The Regal's, you know, being on hold, is being placed on hold because, you know, I gotta paint it, but the weather's not gonna let me. So we'll see what happens. So well, that's really about it. So we'll see what happens, you know, as the weeks pass, you know. So I hope everybody out there that doesn't live within Chicago and doesn't live within this blizzard zone, I hope you're enjoying your weather, because the ones who are living in this neck of the woods, yeah, we're having a lot of fun. Well, what's up? Well, listen, my brothers, it's time for me to let you go because I need to get me some rest. I am tired. So, till next time, in snowblown Chi-Town, the Windy City. Peace, and you know it, chicken grease. Laters.